Hi friends, today we're talking about interpreting the remainder. I wrote a lot already before just so the video wasn't so long, so you can pause it and write it if you need it. Yesterday we were finding the remainder. Now we've got to figure out when we're answering questions, for example, how many books can he buy, we have to decide if when we're giving their answer, if we have to add one to the remainder, to the answer for it to make sense, if we just drop the remainder, or if we keep the remainder. For example, if we're buying books, can we buy 7.3 books? No. So on that one, we would drop the remainder. So let's read this one and let's kind of talk about what we're going to do with the remainder for this question. All right. So it says books are on sale for $7. Peter has $30 in his wallet. How many books can he buy? So we're trying to see with $30 for $7 each, how many books? So this is where our how many books can he buy? All right, so then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do groups of 7 to see how many groups of 7 that we can get, because that's how many books that we can buy. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one book. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's another book. So that's $7. That's $7, and we're at 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We're at another book. So that's 1, 2, 3 so far. So we're at, what was that, 7, 14, 21. So let's see if we have enough to buy another book. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And then we have 29, 30. Okay, so is $2 enough to buy another book? No. So if we're answering, so far we have 4 books. So how many books can he buy? Can he buy 4 remainder 2 books? Or can he just buy 4 books? That's right. He can just, so the answer to this is 4 books. We wouldn't say, so on this one, we drop the remainder. We don't need that remainder because he can't buy another book. He can't buy 4 remainder 2 books. So for this one, we are going to drop the remainder. Let's try one more. Okay. So a teacher bought, let's see, a teacher bought a packet of 17 batteries. Bought a packet of 17 batteries. Each calculator we have to write this. Each calculator uses 3 batteries. How many calculators can we fill? Okay. So, question is, how many calculators can we fill? Important information is we have 17 batteries. There's 3 batteries per calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and write my problem. I'm going to write it this way. So 17 divided by 3. So this time I'm going to go ahead and draw my 17 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm doing them in groups of 5 because it makes it easier to count if I get mixed up. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So now I'm going to circle groups of 3 because that's how many goes in each calculator. So there's one calculator, there's 2 calculators, 3 calculators, 4 calculators, 5 calculators with 2 left over. So our answer is 5 remainder 2. Okay, so now let's go back to our question. We have to decide, do we have to add 1 to our answer, drop the remainder, or keep the remainder? So what would make sense? How many calculators can we fill? Well, can we fill this last one, this remainder 2? Can we fill that calculator? Should we add it and say 6 calculators? No, because there's not enough. Can we do a part of a calculator? No, because then it won't work. So the answer for this is we have to drop our remainder, and the answer would be, how many calculators can we fill? We can fill 5 calculators. So today we're going to be working on Google Slides, just first finding the answer and then interpreting the remainder, deciding what should be the real answer by using one of these choices. See you in class today.